Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma'am. Right. Shall I start, ma'am?
Sir, you can start.
Okay. The cost will you please mention. Okay. Okay. Already did it, no, ma'am. Thank you. Okay, good evening, my dear students. You are all are warm. Welcome to the wonderful session of the biological class and questionnaire session. Last class, what we have discussed, about the 75 question number. Which type of evolution is shown by a given structure? This is the structure. They have given us a two plant, here bougainvillea, and another one is called as cucurbita. Cucurbita pepo. Different types of them. Okay. See here that which one of the, what is that? Evolutionary differences. Parallel evolution. It is not a parallel evolutions. So which one is the correct one here? Here it will not come the parallel evolution. Okay, made it. This is also important. This is not a parallel evolution. What about convergent evolution? Convergent evolution, it will not come. Divergent evolution is the correct one. Retrogressive evolution, it will not come. Why it is a divergent evolution, See, this is the part, isn't it? Yesterday we saw it. This part is also very, very important. Already in our book. This is the leaf structure. Here there is a gap, isn't it? This gap, there is a small protrude like bud is there. This is called as axillary bud. The axillary bud, what they will do, it may be modified in the form of thorn. Okay, a needle-like structure in bougainvillea. The same is also modified in cucurbita is a, what is a tendril. So different, same organ also used for the different function. It is a productive functions, productive. Okay. This one is called as, what is that? Tendrils for the support of the near one. So both are different. That's why the divergent evolution is the correct one. Already we discussed this part in the last class, my dear student. So I will continue after this one. See, divergent evolution is the correct answer. Okay, my dear. So this is the point. What the next one is the identify the animal and find out the incorrect option for given animal. Incorrect option they have given. Okay. Incorrect option. Just underline. Otherwise called as wrong statement. Okay. The presence of bioluminescence. First, you should identify the which type of animal. This is called as ctenophora. Okay. First, you should identify the key. You can easily identify. See, the structure is Pleuroprachiae is the name of the animals. This is the name of the animals. Pleuroprachiae. So this animal. The comes under the headings of the phylum. Which phylum it is belongs to the family? This one is called as Ctenophora. Okay. So, okay. What will the option here? The presence of bioluminescence. Yes, it has the bioluminescent substances. Reproduction only the sexual. Reproduction only the sexual reproduction is possible. So the male as well as the female is also present. This is also tissue level of organization. The bioluminescent substance, even bioluminescence. What is the meaning of bioluminescence? In dark time, what happened? Dark times, what happened? The protein molecule present in it. The protein molecules also, what it had? Lighting. Okay, lighting. Due to the presence of bioluminescence protein molecule. Don't forget, my dear students. But in this category, which one is the incorrect statement? See, this is the presence of 10 comb plate. Not only the 10, it is also number of 10 comb plate is present in it. See the option. Okay. The structure Pleuroprachiae. This is the structure. See, this is the structure of the Pleuroprachiae. Phylum Ctenophora. Yes. See, this is considered a comb plate. This is called as comb plate. Okay, so here see that ciliated comb plate. There are so many ciliated comb plate is that not only the 10. So that is the reason this is the wrong statement regarding this one. Pleuroprachia. Okay, don't forget, my dear students. Other substances also present in what is that? Bioluminescence, sexual reproductions, and tissue level of organization also present in this type. So go to the next. The expiration involves Just imagine expiration. What does it mean? When you are inhaling and exhaling. This is also expiration is nothing but the exhaling of what is that? Gases. Okay. During the exhaling, okay, what will happen? Contraction of the diaphragm. Expiration. Okay. Contraction of the diaphragm muscles. No. Contraction of intercostal muscles. No. During respiration, expiration, okay, during the expirations, okay, what happened? Relaxation of the diaphragm. Normally, what happened? Relaxation. What is the meaning of relaxation? The C-shaped, there is a small muscles-like structure is present in it. This is called as diaphragm. It is separate the stomach as well as the chest part. This is diaphragm. Okay. And also intercostal muscles, relaxation of the diaphragm and the intercostal muscles. During respiration, how it will be there? Okay. During inspiration, when you are inhaling the things, what happens? It will be come down. During expiration, what happens? It come up. So this is called as relaxation. Relaxation. This one is called as what is that? Contraction. Okay. So the contraction of diaphragm intercostal muscle is the wrong answer. Which one is the correct? Relaxation of the diaphragm and intercostal muscle is the correct one. Suppose if it is the inspiration, just imagine inspiration. What happened? This one is the correct one. These two are not correct. Okay. Don't forget, my dear student. This is very, very important. Two answers is here. Expiration, this one is correct. Inspiration, so the next one is the correct one. Okay. See that. The relaxation of diaphragm and intercostal muscles. See that during the expiration involves the relaxation of the diaphragm and the contraction of the intercostal muscles, contraction of the diaphragm and the intercostal muscles also. Okay. So here, what happened? Relaxation given, isn't it? Intercostal muscles. See that one. Okay. And the next one is which of the correct route through? Which of the correct route through? What is that? Imagine. Which of the correct route through which pulse making impulse? How it will be the pulses are transferred from the where to where? Heart. Within the heart, how it will be transferred? Which one is the correct order? First of all, it is started from sino-auricular node. Yes, sino-auricular node is the correct one. Starting place. So which one is the highest one? Sino-auricular here only, here. The auricular node, it will not come. So second and third, it will not possible. Okay. Next one is after that one, it will be transferred to the, which one Purkinje fiber. No, it is not a Purkinje fiber. Which one Sino-auricular and also auricular ventricular node. Okay. So the option is the fourth one. Sino-auricular, then auricular ventricular, then only bundle of His, and then Purkinje fiber and heart muscles. This is the way is the correct. So you have to analyze this part. Okay. The impulse transformation is started from where sino-auricular node, auricular ventricular node, bundle of His, Purkinje fiber and heart muscles. So you have to form as a SA, AV, BPH. This is a format, mnemonics. Sino-auricular, auricular ventricular, bundle His, and always called as Purkinje fiber, and the last one is heart muscles. See the options? So this is the part. This is the part. First one is auricular, sino-auricular node. Where is the sino-auricular? Here is the starting part. Then transfer for the auricular ventricular node here. And then bundle of His, not here, given. Okay. So in this part it will comes. Bundle of His. Then Purkinje fiber. Then heart muscles. This is the way. Inside to outside. Okay. This is the part. Pulse making impulse travel into the heart, sino-auricular node, auricular ventricular node, and bundle of His, and then Purkinje fiber, and also heart muscles. Okay, go to the next one. The blood special connective tissues. Blood is a special connective tissue. Yes, it is. Blood is a connective tissue. Consists of the fluid matrix, plasma, and formed elements. Formed element means RBC, WBC, and platelets. Okay, not only that, an immunoglobulin, hormone, so many things is there inside. Which of the following statements regarding blood plasma is correct? Blood plasma is correct. Which one is the correct answer? Okay. See this one. The plasma constitutes nearly 50% of the blood. Already discussed. Suppose take an example, blood. Okay. There are two parts is there. One is called as liquid part. Another one is called as solid part. The liquid part, how many percentage is the 55% of the liquid part is there? That is considered as a plasma. And what about the solid part? Solid part is 45%. This one is that. RBC, WBC, all those things. So this one is the correct one. Okay, go to the next one is 90 to 92% of the plasma is water. This is the NEET question, my dear. NEET question 2023. Don't forget. Maximum percentage of plasma is water. It is also a correct one. Protein contribution is 6 to 8% of the plasma. Don't forget. This is also a correct one. 6 to 8%. Okay, third one. And also the plasma also contains very large amount of minerals like sodium, potassium, magnesium, carbon dioxide, chlorine, etc. It is a wrong one because plasma contains very less amount. Okay, this one it will not come. And then another one is, what is that? Glucose, amino acid, lipid, etc. are also present. Yes, glucose and amino acid and also extra is also present. This one is not. And the another one, factor of coagulation or clotting of the blood are also present in the plasma and active form. No. Okay. No, it is not an active form. It's an inactive form. Okay, inactive form. Plasma with the clotting factor is called a serum. No, plasma and serum are different. So which one is the correct one? 1, 2, 3, and then which one you know? Fifth one. So the option is 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then fifth one is there. Here the fourth one it comes, though it will not come. 1 and 3 only is there. The fifth one it will not come here. All of this option is the third one. Okay, don't forget, my dear students. This is the complicated question. Complicated. Complicated, not only the complicated. Okay. So it is an easy question. When you know the liquid part of the plasma, blood components, blood, it's a connectivity, liquid connectivity throughout the body. Okay. So you can see this is the general characteristic of plasma. Then only it will be easy. Go through it, you will get it the idea. Okay. See this one. So this is the correct. Plasma constitutes nearly 50% of the blood. You already know. 90 to 92% of plasma is water. Yes. Protein contributes 6 to 8% of the plasma. Yes. Glucose, amino acid, lipid, etc. also present. That's all. And plasma is also contain very large amount. Large amount it will not there. Factor of coagulation or clotting of blood are also present in the plasma. Plasma, no. Plasma means what is that? Anticoagulant substances. Anticoagulant present in it. So it is not easy coagulate. So the coagulation factor is not present. It's also inactive and active form. They told inactive form. And plasma is also with the clotting factor is called a serum. No. Serum is different and plasma is also different. How it will be get it? You will get serum. Listen here, serum. Just take a blood. Okay. Just take a blood in a test tubes and then leave it for a few minutes. Okay. Here the blood sample is there. Just leave it for the few minutes. After that, what happens? Blood undergoes the clotting process. After the clotting process is kept under the centrifugation process. You know about there is a rotator is there. You keep it in this spot. What happens? You will obtain the yellow clear fluids here. The yellow color fluids. After the clotting process, blood after clotting process, you will get the yellow color fluid that is called a serum. Here, what happened? All the clotting factors are utilized. So how it will becomes here? It is called a serum. Plasma with the clotting factor is called a serum. No, it is not like that. Okay. So the answer is already you know about. This is the correct one. So third one is the correct one. Okay. What is by plasma? When you are adding the anticoagulant substance, anticoagulant, EDTA, ethyl diamine tetraacetic acid, and one more is there, sodium citrate. These are the anticoagulant substance. When you are adding this one, okay, what will happen? Same process is also there, but it is also liquid as it is, but it is also kept under the, what is that? Rotation process, 5000 RPM. Rotation per minute, 5000 per rotation. It will be rotated. Then only what happened? The liquid part as well as the solid part, it will get it separate manner like this. The upper portion and the lower portion. Here fully the solid particle is, what are the solid particle present in the blood? RBC, WBC, okay, and also platelets and other protein molecules also deposited. In this part, what happened? Lightest liquid also get after anticoagulant, that is called as plasma. It contains all the, what is that? Clotting factors. Whether it is not a serum. Okay, it is used for the what purpose? Blood counting, WBC count, RBC count, platelets count, eosinophil count, total count, okay, differential count, like that it will come. Okay, so these are the important points made here. These are the important ones. 7.4 is the pH, already in overload, that things also. What are the next stage? Match the enzymes with the respective substrate, already in overall body. Enzyme already, there is a small equation is there. Normally enzyme react with the substrate. Okay, so you will get the enzyme substrate complex. Okay, and then you will get enzyme separated and also product. The substrate is converted into product. This is the traditional equation already in our about. The substrate is exactly act upon which one? The enzyme is exactly act upon the enzymes only. See here the lipase gets given. So lipase only act upon the lipid. Where is the lipid? Is the, note it down. Where is the lipid? Is the first one, is the second one. Where is the first one? Is the second one. So these two only. Okay, the option is this two only, isn't it? First one, lipid, lipase, lipid. What about nucleases? Nucleases means what is the nucleic acid? Already know about that one is also. Carboxypeptidase. What is the meaning of carboxypeptidase? Dipeptidase. Dipeptidase only act upon the dipeptide. Carboxypeptidase is nothing but the one of the peptones and proteins. So 2, 3, 4, 1. Where is this 2, 3, 4, 1? Okay, the option is the last one is the 2, 3, 4, 1. Here the changes is there. Just imagine. This is the confused answer. Okay, that's why they have given a first. Immediately you will attend. Immediately you will tick this answer only. Okay, this is the correct way. Just read that. Where there is a two option is there. Just carefully you have to read the question. Then only you will get the answer clearly. Go to the next one. Okay, see this one. Consider the following four statements 1 to 4 and select the correct option stating which one are true and which one are false. Okay, ligaments are rich in protein elastin. Okay, ligaments are rich in protein elastin. Yes. Tendons are the type of dense regular fibrous tissues. Yes. Esophagus has keratinized squamous epithelium. No, it is non-keratinized. So this is the wrong answer. Okay, these three are right. Okay, select that. Which one is true? Which one is false? Correct option they have given. So the option is what is that? 1 and 2 and 3, 4 are correct, isn't it? The third one is the wrong answer. So here they have given us an incorrect option only. Okay, see this one. The esophagus have a keratinized squamous epithelium. The answer is wrong one because solution in esophagus epithelium is non-keratinized stratified squamous cells. Okay, my dear. This is very, very important. Go to the next one. Read the following statements. See that these are the statement is there. Which one is the correct answer? Correct answer. Okay, my dear. So this is the correct answer of the option given below. See, the metagenesis is observed in the helminths. Metagenesis. Okay. Helminths. It is possible? No. Echinoderms are triploplastic and also coleomate animals. Yes, echinoderms already one of the coleomate animals. Triploplastic means but there are 3 layers present in it. Ectoderm, and also mesoderm, and also endoderm. These are the layers, skin layer, ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm. See the ectoderm, it's outermost layer, mesoderm, middle layer, endoderm is. So the coleomates means, what is that? Coleomates, in between there is a small space is there, filled with the fluids. So that is called as coleomates. Yes, it's a correct one. Okay, the B, where is the answer? Is there? No, here, option but the last one. Okay. And what about the C? The flatworm of bilaterally symmetric. Flatworm already bilaterally symmetrical only. Triploplast and coleomate animals. Don't forget, my dear. Flatworm, bilateral only. Okay. Flatworm means you can take an example. This one is called as, what is that? Tapworm, Nereis, liver fluke. These are all concentrating flatworms. They are having the bilateral only. It can be split into 2 part equal halves only. Triploplasty, as it is this one. Coleomate, absence of coleomate, this part. This part is not completely present. This is called as coleomate. Okay. This part completely absent, but triploplastic in nature. Okay. Triploplastic. Yes. And the comb plate present in the stenophora help indigestion. Now only we saw it is stenophora, correct only, but it is not used for the indigestion process. For the swimming process is using comb plate. So this one is also wrong. So which one is the correct one? So B and C only. So where is the B and C only correct? Is others are wrong only. See, these 3 are wrong only. The last one, E, also correct. Water vascular system characters of echinoderm. Yes, definitely. So these 2 points is very, very important. Echinoderms and echinoderms are triploplastic and coleomates. At the same time, water vascular system is a characteristic of echinoderm. So many times they ask the questions, water vascular system. NEET. Okay, media. So go to the next one. See this one. The A and D are wrong. So other B and C and E are correct statement. Okay, media. So go to the next one. Which of the following correct order of the transmission of sound waves in human ear? Human ear. How it will be there? Okay. See here. Human air also consists of innerval eardrum, ossicles, the pinna. Okay. But the outermost, there is a layer is called as this part. Okay. This is the Eustachian canal, followed by eardrum and cochlea, like that inner comes. Instep, suffix, and also like that. So here, which one is the correct one exactly? About that. Eardrum, it will not come first. Eardrum is present center only. So where there is a eardrum, okay, eardrum and air meters, air ossicle is the correct one. Eardrum, it will not come. Okay, these are the wrong statement. And then oval window, and also a third one is called as cochlea. So this is the correct option. Okay. So the travel of the correct order of the transmission of sound waves in human ear is air ossicle, oval window, and cochlea. So you have to mark it air ossicle, oval, cochlea, EOC. Okay. So don't forget this one. See the options. Okay. So this is the outermost layer, pinna. This part is called as pinna, already about. Okay. These 2 are temporal bone. This is the Eustachian tube. Okay, Eustachian tube, this part. See here, this is the eardrum. Okay, this is the air canal. The air is also divided into 3 parts: outer ear, middle ear, and inner ear. See the 3 bone is there. 3 bone is there. Which one is the smallest one? Molluscus, stapes, and incus. D-shaped bone. Don't forget, my dear students. Stapes is a small D. In human body, which one is the very smallest bone? So D bone only. The D shape of bone is called as the stapes. See, this is the structure. In our body, very, very small bone is which one? In the air only present in it. This is one. This part is already know the cochlea. This is the cochlea part. The auditory nerves and vestibular nerves, semilunar canal. These are all are comes from the inner ear, middle ear, and also outer ear. Like how it will be possible? See that this is the auricle that travels the impulse, external auditory canal, tympanic membrane, sound waves there, sound and round windows, incus. See this part is molluscus, incus, and oval window. Okay, and then it will be passed on to the other part. Okay, don't forget, my dear. This is very, very important. Ear auricle, oval window, or cochlea. Sound waves either outer ear and the travel through the narrow passageway called the ear canal, which lead to the eardrum, and the eardrum vibrate from the incoming sound wave that send this vibration 3 tiny bones in the middle ear. This one is. So this is the option: ear auricle, oval window, and cochlea. Okay. So here the ear auricle is the front ear, and then middle, and then center, innermost layer, cochlea. So that is an important point. Go to the next one is, select the below given options having all incorrect statement above pancreas and its secretions. Okay. So which one is the incorrect statement they ask? The pancreatic acini constitute 1 to 2 pancreatic tissues. Yes, it is a correct one. Incorrect statement. Okay, this is the incorrect statement. The endocrine part consists of 1 to 2 million cells of islets of Langerhans. Yes, it is a correct one. Islets of Langerhans. Endocrine part of the consists of the, how much is the pancreas only we are talking? 1 to 2 million cells. This is NEET question. Okay, like Langerhans. Glucagon acts mainly in the adipocytes and causes cellular glucose uptake. No. Glyconeogenesis. Genolysis, that process it will not take. Presence of ketone bodies in urine is inactive diabetes insipidus. These are also 3. So which one is the wrong statement? A and C and D. So the option is the last one is the incorrect correct option. Okay, incorrect correct option. Okay, so this one is the right option. Okay, go to the next one. See this one. This is the part already we discussed. Which of the following immunodeficiency disorder? See this. These are the things is the IDDM. Okay, and also insulin dependent diabetes mellitus. I will tell you. Myasthenia gravis. It is a neuro disease. Allergy, vitamin immunoglobulin E caused due to allergy, dust, and so on so. Okay, immunoglobulin E is high in this category. And AIDS, acute immunodeficiency syndrome, is one of the deficiency disorder. See the option. So IDDM is nothing but what is it? The answer is fourth one. AIDS is there. Okay, already in our IDDM is the insulin dependent diabetes mellitus. Sometimes they may ask the question in the short form, mnemonics format. IDDM, insulin dependent diabetes mellitus. The insulin dependent diabetes mellitus, also known as the type 1 diabetes, usually start before 15 years age, but can occur in adult only. Also, diabetes involve the pancreas glands, which is located behind the stomach. Already you know about this part. And allergy can cause hives, itches, skin rashes, and facial swelling, wheezing, and anaphylaxis, atopic dermatitis, and also allergic skin condition. Also, this is due to immunoglobulin E, histamine. Okay, histamine protein also secreted by the mast cell, mast gland. Okay, all those things. Myasthenia gravis is the chronic autoimmune neuromuscular disease. Okay, that causes weakness in the skeletal muscles only. Okay, so don't forget this part, my dear students. So that's why, which one is the correct answer? No, the AIDS is the correct one. Immunodeficiency disorder, they asked. Acute immunodeficiency syndrome. Okay, syndrome is nothing but a disorder only. Immunological deficiency. Immunological means what happened, you know, the T lymphocytes and B lymphocytes do not secreted properly due to the HIV, human immunovirus. Okay, that things also already know. You know the structure of HIV and DNA. Which one is the single standard RNA copy is also there, and also what is that? Reverse transcriptase. Okay, reverse transcriptase enzymes also present in 2 copies. All are. Don't forget. And also the outer side, there is a spoke-like structure is there. Okay. Glycoprotein 121, G41, GP41. So that things you must note it down, my dear students. Each ovary of female cockroach consists of very, very important, very, very important. So many times they ask the question, NEET. Okay, so many times they were asked. Each ovary they asked, because the female cockroach, it consists of 2 ovaries. Okay, they are asking the each ovaries. Okay, each ovaries. This is the one and second one. Consist of, each one means only one ovary, like that. Consist of how many ovarioles? Just take an example, 16 ovarioles. So 16 plus 16, 32 or no, it is not like that. 8 ovarioles, yes, it is the correct answer. 8 ovary here, 8 ovary. Total 16 ovary. So the option is second one is the correct one. The 10 ovary it will not come, 4 ovary it will not come, 16 ovary it will not come, 8 ovary. So each one, it consists of 8, and 2 pair, 1 pair it consists of 16. Okay, he asked each ovary only asked. See that option. So this is the called ovary. Okay, this is the ovary structure. Okay, the ovariole, how much is there? Ovarioles. This is ovary, ovarioles. How many is there? 8 ovariole is present in it. Each one is 8. Here also 8. The total 16. Don't forget, my dear student. This is very, very important. So many times they ask the question. 8 ovary here, 8 ovarioles here. Total 16 only. 1 ovary contain 8 only. And excreted structure of earthworm. Earthworm is excreted through the malfeasant tubule. No, cockroach is also excreted through malfeasant tubule. Nephridia. Yes, it is the correct answer. Nephridia, because it has a nephron structure. So this is the option, correct one. This is the option is correct. And kidney is not there. Adrenal. So antennal gland. Antennal, there is no gland. Gland is there, but it's not here. Excretion of earthworm. Okay, malfeasant tubules, it will not come. Cockroach. So this is the correct answer. Nephridia is the correct one. But there are so many nephridias also present in here. See here. Excreta of nephridial system of the earthworm. There are 3 types is that. Duct of pharyngeal nephridia, integumentary nephridia, forest of integumentary nephridia. So automatically septal nephridia, tuft of pharyngeal nephridia, ducts of pharyngeal, tufts of pharyngeal nephridia. So all are having the nephridia only. The excretion of nephridia, these are the type is there. Sometimes they may ask the question, the integumentary nephridia present in the which segment? 7 to 13, 14 to 18, forest. A septal nephridia in the lower part. So same thing. See here, intestine, stomach, and gizzards and esophagus and pharynx, buccal cavity. This is the mouth part. Okay, just to note it down, earthworm is nephridial excretory system. Okay, go to the next one. So identify the part label as A, B, C, and D from the figure given below. Okay, and select the correct options about them. This is considered already in our word. What is that? Testis. Okay, inner side, how it will be there? Just imagine what are the parts present in it. A is part is what is that? B is what is that? C is what is that? D is what is that? First of all, you note it down. So testis means nothing but the second option, serotolic cells. A is a serotolic cell. This one is called a serotolic cell. And B is a spermatogonia. C is a spermatocytes. And D is a intestinal cell. These cells are called as interstitial cells. So the option is which one is the D is a interstitial cell. Where is no, the second one is the correct option. Okay, C is the B is the correct one. So this is very, this is called a serotolic cell. Which one is this is called a serotolic cell? This part, round, serotolic. They provide nutrition for the sperm, nutrition, nutritive substance, sperm. They provide nutrition. Next one is spermatogonia. This is called a spermatogonia, and also serotolic cell and spermatosoma. Okay, this is the order. This is the order. And the cell is called as interstitial cell. This part is called as interstitial cell. This is the structure of testis. Go to the next one. See this one. This is the part. Okay. Serotolic cell is also there. Just to go and check it, you will get the ideas. Okay. Spermatogonia, spermatozova, industrial cells also present. See this, spermatids, spermatogonia, spermatocytes. Okay, sublimated sites of 16 sites. And the next one is, which of the one of the following is a correct statement? Which of the following is the correct statement? How will you identify the correct statement? Okay, see this one. Listen, my dear student, blood. Already now only we saw it, blood. Blood contain, what is that? Two part is the plasma or serum, isn't it? So the blood, plasma, it comes. Yes, blood and plasma. Automatically, you know, the plasma contain RBC, WBC, platelets. So this one is the correct answer. Plasma not, it contain blood. Minus lymphocytes. It is not like serum. Others are wrong. Lymph, plasma, no. Blood, plasma, and how many percentage? 55%. This one is called as 45%. So total 100%. Don't forget, my dear students. Answer is blood, plasma, RBC, WBC, platelets. These are the composition of the liquid part as well as solid part. Now only we saw it, isn't it? This is 55%. This part is 45%. So they are all are composed by blood. Okay, my dear. Go to the next one. The assertion and reasons. Solubility of carbon dioxide is 20 to 25 times higher than that of the O2. Okay. Yes, because oxygen is, what is that? Less. CO2 is 20 to 25 times higher than that of the oxygen because it is a poisonous. Suppose if it is deposited in your body, what will happen? It will lead to coma. So it is a correct answer, isn't it? Next one is the amount of carbon dioxide that can diffuse through the diffusion membrane per unit differences in partial pressure is much higher as compared to the of O2. Yes, the diffusion is also very high, both of them. So the assertion and reason is also correct. At the same time, the explanation is also correct. The answer is, first one is the correct one. Okay, go to the next one. Read the following statement. Read the following statement. The acromegaly, true or false, like that they ask the question. See the question also. Here they have given as a statement type. These are different types, A, B, C, D, as well as statement type. Here they have given as a true or false, like that. Okay, true or false. Which one is correct, which one is wrong, like that. Okay, sometimes it may be like that. See here. The acromegaly is due to the hypersecretion of estrogens, thyroid hormones. It's a childhood age. Acromegaly, what is the thyroxine hormone secreted? Means your height will be very high in nature. Thyroxine hormone. So, which one is the correct one? This one is correct. No. Okay. So it's a wrong one. So A is a wrong one, means where is the A is the wrong one? So here and here only the wrong one. Okay. So the answer it will be these two only. These two it will not come. Okay. In adulthood stage, hyperthyroidism causes Gulf's diseases, myxedema. Yes, it's a correct one. And during the hypothyroidism, mean level is decreases, what happened? No, automatic Gulf disease, myxedema, swelling of hands and things, adulthood, adult natures. So this one is the right answer. So B is the right answer, means where is the B is the right answer. So the option is the last one. Okay. And then hypersecretion of glucocorticoid causes tetany. No, glucocorticoid is not to the right answer. C. So A and D is the, A and C is the wrong answer. Okay. And B and D already you know, but that thing's also correct only. Go to the next one. See this one. Okay. Go to the next one. Select the correct answer above the figure given below. See the plant. See the plant. Which one is this one? Cannabinus sativa. It is Tamil we may called. What is it? Ganja. Okay. So this one. Opium poppy. Already you know all about opium. So this is the correct one. Datura species. Datura species, the flower will be like this. Okay. Persistent calyx. Atroba belladonna. It is also one of the medicines. But here they have given figure is directly optimal to the optimum opium poppy. Okay. It's one of the plants. Isolated, there are so many alkaloids. Poppins, opium. Okay. It is one of the what is that? Drugs. All are drugs only. All are the drugs plants only. But particularly the given figure is also optimal to the optimum poppy drugs. Okay. For the next one, opium poppy. By which company humulene production takes place firstly? That is very, very, very important. Humulene. What is the meaning of humulene? Humulene is human insulin secretion. Humulene is nothing but the, what is that? Human insulin. Here, how they will the first 3 letter and last 3 letter. Humulene. First prefix, this one is called a suffix. Okay, they have given humulene. Which one is the highest production? You know, see that CCMP, Binotech, and Bharat Biotech, these are all not common. Eli Lilly is the correct answer. Eli Lilly. Okay, first, imagine. Okay, go to the next one. So, which enzyme is not related correctly with its functions? Okay, so listen here, not correct, wrong answer. Okay, wrong answer. Just to see it, very, very important, my dear student. Very, very important. Tachyl polymerase, it's essential for the synthesis of, what is that? It's the correct one. Chitin, just imagine, chitin mostly found in which one? You know, fungi only. So the answer is this one. The obtained DNA by the lysis of bacterial cell. It will not like that. So this is the incorrect statement. So not related. Exonuclease, don't forget, my dear, this is very, very important. Exonuclease, remove nucleotide from the end of the DNA molecule. Suppose there is a DNA molecule is there. Suppose if you want to cut these places of now, which enzyme there is? Exonucleases outside the stand. You can easily cut with the help of the enzyme is called as exonuclease. Endonuclease means center, already you know about that part also. Okay. So if you want to cut the palindromic means endonucleases. If you want to cut the any one of the sides, whether it's 5'N or 3'N, you can cut with the help of exonuclease. This is also a right answer. DNA ligase means linking, joining of DNA fragments. Suppose the fragment during the replication process, the DNA is like this, you know, they are all interlinked. And also, finally, they give you an entire structure of the DNA molecule with the help of the enzyme is called as DNA ligase. It's also correct one. So the wrong answer is chitinase. Chitinase is mostly found in the fungi cell wall. It is not a bacterial cell. Okay. Chitin obtained a lysis of DNA bacterial cell is the wrong answer. Okay. For the next one. The inner part of the cerebral hemisphere. The inner part of the cerebral hemisphere. Don't forget, my dear students, cerebral hemisphere or a group of associated deep structure like, which one you know? Which one is the correct? See that which one is the correct? Thalamus, it will not come. Okay, thalamus, it will not come. Amygdala, it will come. So option is here, these two only. These two, it will not come. Okay, amygdala. Amygdala and dash. Okay, form a complex structure called as limbic lobe. Identify the option which represent A and B correctly. So the option is the correct one is called as what is it? You know, amygdala and also hippocampus. These two structures form a complex structure of limbic lobe. So these two is united together form as a limbic lobe. So you have to answer it's A and H. You will get L. Okay. So this is the option. So the answer is this one is correct. This one is wrong. Amygdala, thalamus, it will not come. Already here thalamus is coming. So it is the wrong means automatically thalamus, it will not come. Okay. For the next one. Okay. For the next one. Match the following column and select the correct matches. Which one is the correctly matched? Correct matches. Okay. C1. So see here, A is 3, A is 2, A is 4, A is 2. So A is 3 means ADH. It's related to the preventive diuretics. Okay, preventive diuretics. It will come yes. And T is a 3-1. So the answer is A here, A here. A2, ADH. AD is dilation of blood vessels. No, it will not come in this part. And then another one is called as what is the fourth one they have given. First option only you should see. First option only you have to see that. A3. A is 3 has given. Yes, it is the correct one. So A2 means what is that? Suppose take an example. Dialysis now. Oh, no, it will not come. First one. And A is fourth one. Fourth one means reabsorption of sodium and also water from the digital conversion to ADH. It will not come. So this is the first one is the third only. So these two only the option. So these two only the option. These two it will not come. Second C, B is 1. Renin angiotensin is the connection. Okay, already you know about that part. So renin and angiotensin is convert the angiotensinogen. It's an inactive form. You convert it to angiotensin 1 by the action of renin. So this is the correct one. Okay. So A3, B1. So the A3, B1. Where is the A3, B1? So this one is also automatically the option is this one is the correct. ANF. What is the meaning of ANF? ANF is related to which one? Automatically C2. See that C is 2. Dilation of the blood vessels. So this is the correct option. ANF. Last one, as it is, option is there. Aldosterone is essential for the reabsorption of the DCT, digital convertible, proximal convertible, and was the digital convertible, mostly found in the where the Bowman capsules. Already know about the Bowman capsule is also there, and also proximal convertible, and also followed by the. Okay, this is the part. Okay, so digital convertible, proximal convertible. So this is also a correct one. So the option is which one? This part. Go to the next one. See this one. ADH prevents the diuresis. The spelling is wrong here. Okay, diuresis. Renin convert the angiotensin into angiotensin 1. So inactive form angiotensinogen into angiotensin 1. ANF, dilation of the blood vessels. Okay, and aldosterone, reabsorption of sodium and water from the DCT. So these are the correct options. Okay, go to the next one. See below the line diagram of synaptic transmission. Okay, they have given here the option is A. Stimulate the movement of dash and a neurotransmitter bind to the dash present on the C, and then see that binding of neurotransmitter open into the channel, and also now potential development of the postsynaptic neuron B either excreted A and D in which. Okay, first of all you should note it down which one is the correct answer. So this is the, listen here, 97th question, just you note it down. So see this one. Stimulate the movement of which one is synaptic vesicle is the first one. How it will be then? Stimulate the impulse arrive the axon to terminal. Okay, and also stimulate the movement of what is that? This part. Synaptic vesicle. Synaptic vesicle. See here, the 3 part is there. Okay, so the first one is synaptic vesicle. First one is synaptic vesicle. Synaptic vesicle. Then only it will be receive the impulse. Synaptic vesicle means like this. Okay, this is the post. Okay, nerves. This one is called as first nerves, also second nerves, like that. In between there is a synaptic cleft. Is there? Here the vesicle is also there. Vesicles round. Okay, see the structure. You can see the diagrammatically synaptic cleft. Okay, synaptic vesicle is there. There are 3 things there. Followed by receptor, it will come. So synaptic vesicle, there is a receptor is there. The receptor receive the impulse. Okay, so the option is which one? Second or fourth only it will be there. Third one is called as what is that? How it will be received? Presynaptic membrane or postsynaptic membrane. It receives the presynaptic membrane or post. Which one is called as presynaptic? This is called as presynaptic. This one is called as postsynaptic. Suppose the impulse received from the outside to inside means what is that? This is the pre. This one is post because central nervous system is the upper side, isn't it? Suppose the impulse transfer from the central nervous to lower part means what happened? This is the pre. This is the post. Okay. Here they have received the postsynaptic membrane and also the inhibitory is the correct options. Okay, according to this one. Okay, neurotransmitter open to ion channels. These are the 3 points. See here. The neurotransmitter bind to the where B and C. What is the B and C here? The option is here. The B is the receptor. Receptor, what happened? Transfer to postsynaptic membrane. Postsynaptic membrane means just imagine. So this is the part. Sorry. Postsynaptic membrane means just imagine here. So this is constriction. This is constriction. These are the 2 neurons. Just imagine. This is the neurons. Here also there is a neuron. Okay, when you are travel the impulse from the upper part to lower part, okay, travel impulse from this is called as pre-neurons. Okay, this one is called as post neuron. Okay, suppose transfer the impulse from here to now, this one is pre, this one is the post. In between there is a, what is that? Vesicle is there, here there is a receiving capacity is there. There is a protein molecule is also, and also having the reservoir. Receiving molecules also present in it. And also this one is called as neurotransmitter substance, that is called as acetylcholine. HOLINE. Okay, acetylcholine. Okay, this is the pre-synaptic dendrites also. Okay, here which one is the correct option? Is that first one is synaptic vesicle is that the synaptic vesicles also receive the receptor molecules. Receptor molecule is also protein molecule, and also post-synaptic membrane. It's also transferred to the pre-synaptic to post-synaptic. Okay, the impulse transfer from how to how now? See this one. So this one, you know, here to here. Okay, here the receiving molecule is there. Okay, pre or post. Okay, so this is the important point. Synaptic vesicle, receptor, post-synaptic membrane, and also inhibitory. Okay, and then the blue revolution. Just to see that blue, already you know about. What is my blue revolution? Already we discussed. Blue revolution is nothing but the, which one you know? Egg production. Is it correct? White milk production, crab production, fish production. So these are the options, isn't it? Crab means green. Milk means white. Egg also white. And fish means blue. So the option is this one is correct. Okay. And then fitness according to the Darwin refer ultimately and only to, okay, fitness. What is the meaning of fitness? Which area, locality? It's a better survival ability. No. In built variation? No. Particularly fitness is also related to the reproduction and also reproductive fitness only. They have given fitness also here. What is that? Clue. Okay. Struggle for existence, it will not like that. So the option is 99 is the third one is the correct answer. Okay. What about the last one? Okay. See the which of the following is incorrect matching. Don't forget, my dear student, this is very, very important. Nicotine, tobacco, correct. Gancha, inflorescence of cannabinoids. Cannabinoid, latex of Papaver somnivora. This one I think. Cannabinoids. Cocaine, erythroxylum cocaine. Okay. So this one is the wrong one, my dear student. Third one, see that cannabinoids, latex of the Papaver somnifera, sedative and also painkiller. It is not used for the painkiller, mostly used for the hallucination and other purpose. So the option is C only is the incorrect statement. Others are right. So you have to find out the other statements only right. So nicotine, yes, tobacco. Stimulate the adrenal gland and to release the adrenaline. Okay, you will get immediate, what is that? Adrenaline secretion. Okay, goosebumps. Ganja, it is also Tamil name, inflorescence of cannabis. Affect cardiovascular system. You just note it on what is the action and what is the content. So these two only the NEET question, my dear. So this definitely it will come, my dear. Don't forget. Don't forget. 2023 must. Cannabinoids, latex of the Papaver somnifera and sedative and painkiller, it will not come. And the cocaine is also erythroxylum coca. It's interferes with the transport of dopamine. It's a very, very important dopamine. It is a bone, it is a brain related component. Brain, there is some chemical substance secreted during this time when you are taking this type of cocaine and ganja and nicotine, so many things is there. They increase the dopamine in your body. As a result, what happens? You feel like, yeah, happy. Okay. Suppose if it is overdoses, what happened in hallucinations? That things also come. Okay, my dear sir. See this one. The 1, 2, 3 are correct and is the incorrect statement. So this is the incorrect statement. So the cannabinoids, latex of the, what is the meaning of latex vessels? You know about Papaver somnifera, sedative and also painkiller. It is not a correct one. Okay, my dear. So today the part of the question session is finished, my dear student. That's all about today classes. To remaining things we will see the next class, my dear students, you are all are very happy Tamil New Year, and okay, this year brings a victory in your doctor dreams. Is it true? Okay. Thank you so much for the participation. Bye. Take care and good night. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.